what is the joy of life kung nagsimula akong helpless bilang sanggol? I struggled throughout my life to survive, to raise kids. And I will end up in this struggling life being weak, old, and I will die anyway. So sinabi niya, what? Bakit? Para saan?
Yan ang ibig sabihin ng futility of life.
Oo.
Pag hindi mo nakita yung connect ng life
Correct.
with the resurrection.
Correct.
Kasi unless a grain of wheat falls to the earth and dies.
Mm-mm.
And ang pagkasabi mo, itong tao to palagi namamatay.
In a way, oh.
In a way, di ba? Palaging siyang parang
Struggling,
struggling siya.
coping.
Parang siya yung dehado. And yet, meron siyang nabuhay na ibang pamilya, na ibang anak,
Naitayo niya.
na itayo niya. Meron nakapag-aral dahil sa kanya.
Mm. Pero
Hindi ba
ang problema niya ngayon, tatanda ako.
Oh, tatanda.
Dahil mararamdaman ko yung mga sakit. Sinstruggle ko, tapos mamamatay ako.
Yeah.
Mahirapan din ulit ako.
Kaya nga, in that sense, no? Unless we see beyond this world, sabi nga na, it's a world of drudgery. Ang sabi nga dyan ni Jean-Paul Sartre, a philosopher, it's absurd.
That's true.
Kasi tinanggal niya yung fact na there's life after death, which is evident even in this life. Kasi the grain of wheat falls to the earth, dies, but bears fruit. And so that's the truth about the rhythm and the laws of nature. Things die and things somehow regrow and blossoms, di ba? Basic question dyan, why am I weak? Ba't akong ginawang mahina? Di ba? Everybody has that question. But thanks be to God, we recognize that we are weak. Because the honest truth is we are weak even if we are strong.
In spite of this futility of life, there's joy in every day that you gather, of course, from God and from others.
Yeah.
That's the magic of life.
You can receive it and
embrace it.
Embrace it, but your joy will become when you also could give it.
Oo.
Meron ka natanggap
Tama.
and you have something to give.
To give, to offer.
Kahit anong liit,
Tama.
kahit oras lang, masarap pong mabuhay kahit
Oo, actually.
nahihirap sa buhay.
It's a matter of how you look at it and how you welcome God in these struggles.